Engineer.
Angalia nati kwa angalia hapo kabisa.
Iki flex tu kidogo iguze imecrack. Molding unatumia gani?
Bado hajafika huko.
Lakini unaona inaenda karibia gani?
Molding. Si ni ya kwanza. Hiyo.
Niko ndio hivyo.
Agent the same.
Hii kuna tume iko tuna pia ni ujuzi ya kutoa.
Iliona imekuwa ngumu.
Mashini tutasoma.
Tabidi. Umesema unashukuru gani?
Soma tu kwanza. Hebu weka tu mashini wakati wanatumia. Si hata itasomea page.
So I'm just gonna confirm by the plate. Yeah, and so 2011 to 2012. And then it'll ask radar cruise. I just need to confirm there's no radar. Yep, no radar, and it doesn't have the systems as well. So I'll just say Autoscan can check all the other systems, but let's just be specific with ADAS calibration, just to check the ADAS systems. So it should just be cruise control and sonar, and the parking sonars, which helps with anti-collision and it helps with parking. And then cruise control should have a radar, or should be, well, I don't think it's equipped. That's why it says no fault, pass no fault clearance. This is one, so right front center. Right front center. Right is this side, front center is this one. Just like Kawaya said. So yeah, we'll work on that. Finish the glass. Daniel's already put nano shield, and jobs are good in. 2011.
Eh.
Well, yakishika